Hi travelers, so today we're taking a look at this bag here from Alpaka. Now this is the Alpaka tote bag small. So this is the small of the three sizes. There's also a medium and a large version. There are a couple of differences on those sizes. They made their own video about what's the difference in those sizes. But I'll just give you a quick run through of the bag and my thoughts on it. I have been using this for the past 2 weeks and I've been really enjoying it. So let's start off with the straps. They have a very nice length to them and the tops are sewed across like this, so it makes it very nice and comfortable to hold. When you wear it over your shoulder, these can sometimes slip a bit, so that's the only little thing I have noticed about this, but they do sit on your shoulders very nicely. The bag itself has nice padding on the bottom, so whatever you put in here, when you put the bag down, it's not going to get damaged. Now, one of the cool things I really like about this bag is it has these sewed loops just here on all 4 sides of the bag. So, you know, if you did want to attach an accessory like a little doll or something, or even something like this, which is the hero clip, you can just go like that and you have like an extra securing point. So one of the other really nice features is, if you take a look here, the closure on the top, there's 4 magnets, so 1 on each side just under the straps. So it magnetically closes like so. And just quickly taking a look at the outside as well on the back, there is a slip pocket, just like so. Quite large as well, it goes probably like slightly out like this. And then on the front here, you have a magnetically closing pocket. So you can see that closes with the magnet, a little bit more secure. And that's also a similar size that kind of goes like down to about here. Okay, so taking a look inside of the bag, has a really nice layout that I have found to be extremely useful. I will show you some of the things I pack in here. This space here, I think is large enough for an iPad 11 Pro, I think it is. But it does also fit the mini, as you can see here, very nicely. And that has padding on both sides and on the bottom. So what you put in there will be very safe. So that's a great feature to have. So continuing with the pockets, you'll see there's 2 water bottle pockets on either side. So this one here has elastic, and you can also collapse it if you didn't want to use it. And the same on this side, which I think is great because I often carry a bottle of water and a coffee, like a thermos of coffee here. So just show you what that looks like. The bottle just very easily slips in without needing to think much. So really great design there. Now in the bottom you also get the padding, and then you get 2 slip pockets on the side. And that's pretty much it in terms of what you get. But as I said, I've been using this for the past couple of weeks. Let me just show you some of the things I've been carrying. So as I said, I've been carrying a water bottle and something like this, which has a bunch of cables and charging accessories. So I just pop that there like so. And what I always carry is some wet wipes, those down the non-secured side just here, just in case of rain. I also carry an umbrella. And if you've ever been to Thailand, you know the hong tie is always handy to have with you. Of course, the other things you know I always have is a power bank. This is the one I reviewed from Nightcore. This is the NB10000 Mark III, so the 3rd gen. And I also carry 2 different adapting cables. So this is like a mini one that I got from AliExpress. There'll be a link in the description. And then this one is a longer one that I got when I was traveling. This is good, you know, if you're using it from your bag, and this one's good if you're sort of holding the phone at the same time. So these slip really nicely into these pockets here, just like so. So I have like one pocket for all my charging and electronics like that. I also carry this little packable 10-litre backpack from Decathlon. So I always have it just in case I do shopping or something. I also carry a little hairbrush like this, just down there. And I also have my little med kit that I always talk about. So the other thing I also carry is my AirPods Pro. And what I do is I put that into the secured pocket here. But just before I do that, I also carry the new Alpaka coin wallet, the zip coin wallet. So this one has a magnet there for coins, and I have some coins in there. And I also have my cards and stuff, and the pen on the back. So we'll be doing a review on this one very shortly as well. So that one goes into that secured pocket. And then I just put my AirPods just sort of next to that one there, because there's quite a bit of space in this pocket. Magnetically close that one, and then I'm basically fully packed. I also have my sunglasses. I just pop them in there somewhere. And in this case, I can't magnetically close this side, but this side does. And then that's basically my fully packed bag for the day. So really nice design. I really love the size of it. I think it's just the right amount, you know, for a day out. And I love all of the features, the magnetic closures. I think it has just the right amount of pockets as well. So definitely go ahead and check out the link in the description. There should also be a discount when you use that link to purchase from Alpaka. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.